distortion like madness in season, bracing all like a breaking of reason, with every night lost and every day torn, is the drama feeling calmer, so calmer in the storm. Speakers are crying like a forest in the rain. I was so alone with my thoughts and my pain, and the darkness closed like a mouth on a wild night. I'll never be free. Stand on my own anymore. I can't stand in the stain of the broken and poor. I can't break what I held and it never was true. In the mirror what I said was a lie to you and me and everything I see and everything I could. Tried so hard to be good for myself, for you, for the hidden and divine, for everything. But I can fail just so many times.